Yeah, so I was going down to watch the TV at the station. He's still doing it. Come on,
All right, is everybody hanging in there with me? Try to stay on pace with us. Go faster. More power to you.
But yeah, I sure am tired. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, I will send it to you.
Okay, my gosh. David is working very, very hard. Okay, I'm going to take it even lighter weight and pass you one of my cups. So, I'm taking
Oh no, he just going back to back real fast. Like side to side.
legs,
Then I was like,
plie
huh,
squat. Yeah, you still can figure out.
yeah. I'm recording them right now.
And we're going to start big.
How many minutes you want this to be?
Imagine your head high of your shoulders. And breathing and stirring
He
the pot.
dropped his pacifier. I'm looking for it.
All right, make sure your chest is high.
Uh-oh.
Slight arch in your back.
Yeah, he looking for his pacifier.
This is a burner for your thighs. And we're going to switch directions here. Ready? Other way. Make sure you're not dropping those arms too low. But also make sure your shoulders aren't punching up to your ears, right?
Oh.
Guys, hang in there. Bring the shoulders too.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you're not popping up out of that squat too much. Check yourself. This is where the nerve comes in. There we go. Last 3, 2, and 1.
Oh, today I told him, I said, he was hollering. I said, no, use your inside voice. Girl, and he made a noise. It was real. So I was like, I thought it was so funny.
Or you can use any solid surface for support.
He